I'm sorry, guys. I am not sure what is happening. So there is regularly there is a disconnection from the OBS on the server. Team is trying to look now and then, but there is no respite on that. So briefly, it is trying to make some small green candles. Of course, if the short covering kind of a thing comes around 130, 140, just watch out. Okay. So if at all you are continuing your short side of the position, there is already a weak point that is there. So all your shorts should be closed, whether it is option or future. Once this particular representative option comes anywhere near 209. After some time we will see this weak point 71 itself will become the entry point. That is how the price moves. So there is some green combination traffic light is coming in the alignment, and Nifty, so last 5 minutes candle it has not broken the previous candle low. So that is one sign that we can say okay, market trying to turn around. So by 130 if does it turn around 2 to 230, then it will try to go up past 26,000 again. Given that so much of put rating taken place into 26,000, sorry, call ratings taking place, Nifty will struggle to cross 25,992, but there will be an attempt made by the bulls. Okay, the bulls would want it to close above 26,000, and the bears will want it to be below. So that tug of war is going on. Alignment is moving between mixed and this thing kind of tick by tick, you can see. Now as I told, this top 10 shares, correct, slowly it is moving up again from 14%, now it is 25%. You will see there will be a sudden jump, and then the price will try to go towards this point. That is couple of candles, it will try to go to 25,992. Then whether it crosses that or not will be the question. So if you are on the short side, trail your stop losses. Looks like going for a retracement. Okay, view is still bearish. Okay, 26,000 will be very tough to cross, Ajit, because now we can see that they have written so much calls today. So they are all expecting that to become zero tomorrow. See, you return so much call today at 26,000, that too at 40 rupees. See, 2.53 crores. So they are continuously writing as the Nifty tries to go up. And so they are playing for this 40, 30, 40 rupees. So as soon as it comes to 26,992, they are expecting again a breakdown. Otherwise, why they will so confidently write? And being tomorrow being expiry, anything can happen. And another thing is, you can watch this put prices are not falling at all. It is consistently above 200. I thought, okay, now 3 candles of green, whether Nifty put prices will come down and our this weak point will come. It is not. You are correct. View is still bearish. Actually, if you see from Friday itself, no, Nifty has been showing that I am going to fall. Correct? There was some respite first briefly today morning. Otherwise, what was this point? I mean 26,232. It is returning to okay, got disconnected. So it is threatening to go to ATH. From there, it has come down 232 plus 30, 260 points. That is 24th December, Wednesday. Last Wednesday at peak, around 10:40. Slowly, this top 10 shares is coming up to 30. Nifty like it, like I make my own. En vadi tani vadi, yeah, okay. there are a lot of US based videos and European videos which is saying 2026 there will be a crash. Okay, I don't know how far that is true. We are exactly at midpoint 26,000 this thing, correct? So January 1st, what shall we do? We let us say 25,000 put for December. Okay. And 27,000 call for December. See the drop, and suddenly my 247 is also coming. That is the power. One stroke, one, I don't know, some news has come, something has come. Suddenly this option jumped from 224 to 237, 15 points it jumped. So where was I correct? 27,000 call December. Okay. So can you imagine? 25,000 put is at 368 rupees, but 27,000 call, I don't know what price it is already, okay, it is at 3,351. So you will get a see, this is where this advantage of writers come into play. I don't know whether this, yeah, it is, wow, on both there is a good amount of volume. Okay, it is not that they are not 22,000 at 25,000 PE and 1 lakh. Wow, people are buying 3,200 rupees call 27th December. Oh, sorry, it is 27 December. I'm sorry. We need 26 December, no? But still people are buying 3,000 points away. They are expecting Nifty will cross 30,000 by 27 December. Then only they can buy this price. All these long-term edge people, no? Oh, 247 has not come. It should have come. What is this? My third target also should be there. When we are averaging, okay, I don't know, boss. Unfortunately, I think I missed my all my regular crowds. Okay, a lot of them would have probably, but if they had continued, probably they will see this and kind of it would have been good. Hopefully, they are still continuing to have the position. Maybe they closed and okay, 5,000, yeah, 5,000 has come, they would have closed and gone. That is also a possibility. 27,000. Ah. $1,656. Why CE is so expensive? I don't know, yeah. Still holding off. Superb. Okay. Now 943 is also taken out, correct? So what will happen now? Because this is S5, definitely there will be some support here. You can take it for granted, there will be some support here because this is S5. Let us check what is day S5. Yeah? That is the 9:30 S3. Okay, so 9:43 is your S5 for 5 minutes. Okay, but what is actually happening is 9:43 is the pivot in day chart. So there is a possibility that there will be support here. If it goes below, then January can be bad. Then January can be bad. Exactly 246 here. I am expecting reversal at 25,900. Why 900? Yeah, 943 itself will be a reversal. Just now we checked, no, that CPR on the day chart is at that point. So now 943 will be a reversal. That is what I think. Why to go around 900? Yeah, very good day. Very good day. Unfortunately, my OBS crashed here. Otherwise, all of them would have been there. Joes, everybody, and they all would have clapped. Wow. Without any sweat, without any tension, without any BP, we coolly made a minimum 5K today. Correct? I don't think there was any pressure on any side. As soon as 149 came, people should have bought, and if they are still holding, they will be up by 7K. Or they would have taken any other put also. Yeah, understand, Najita. Rough level. Correct. How beautifully the system, the setup is serving us here. I am happy. Okay, so there are no tensions, nothing. You simply come, watch the day, watch the screen, enter at appropriate time, make money, and still today would have been a really fantastic day here. If everybody would, my net would have, it is, I read that some net problem, no, but I am having 160 Mbps connection. I don't know. I have to sit with the team now to understand why this OBS is crashing. After a long time this is happening. Otherwise, today would have been a really good day. If anybody has joined first time, please say hi, so that we will have a class session, trade setup session at 3:15. If you say hi and subscribe, then only I will know you are new. And then without getting some understanding what is all this, it will be difficult to trade for you guys. So if you are new, please say hi, subscribe and say hi, and we will have a session at 3:15. 243, come on, 247, then I will be happy. 3 levels. If 247 comes, it is the third level. If you are new, say hi. Again from 25%, it has come down to 16.5%. So maybe there is a further fall down. See, beyond 247, short sides may not have any strength, at least because there is no target. Like in our 5 minute chart Nifty, this is S5, there is no S6, S7, etc. Okay, then it is a kind of a free fall, it usually doesn't happen. We have also checked the day chart, which is saying that 243 is your pivot for on day chart. So there bound to be a reversal from this point. If Nifty goes below 943, keep 25,943 as your stop loss for all your short position, future, any option, etc. Because Nifty may try to, with one big green candle, it will try to retrace back all the way. Okay, just remember that. And I can't give you anything more than 247 at this point, because there is no technical level that can be given. My system is selling, that's it. This is the third level, done. You are done and dusted for the day. It can go to 500,000, nothing. It is like, it is what is called deep sea. Deep sea for Nifty, and blue sky for option. You can't give any technical levels. If it crosses 247, then you have to simply trail at say 242 or something like that. And let me check whether this point has come up. $15, $51, 66 points locked now. Probably today would have been the most easiest trade people could have made. Doing nothing, just making one buy call and simply waiting. Again it is gaining strength. Hopefully now my 247 should come. If it comes 249, that will be good. That will be a first, one of the 100 point trades that this channel has given. It is not exact rate, it is 100 point, a weakness to the extent of 100 points was kind of provided. If you have got, ITM, different ITM or ATM, of course, your points will be different. So 130, there can be a reversal. Be careful. Why I am saying yellow line is coming closer and closer, and this is making a smaller candle. So this can be a reversal. Check it out. At this point, it can reverse. This will be a testing time for the entire call writers, that too those who have written today. And if they start to give in, okay, then it will be a big problem for Nifty. It can crash 100 points because almost massive call writing has taken place today, 2.5 crores. And by chance the pressure sustains below this 25,943, I am not sure where it will end up. $914 is definitely around 910, 920 is a possibility because it has turned out here. So 909. So around this point, okay. So it is reversed from here. That is on here. It is reversed. Here it is rather up. It took a support here, and it took a reversal here. So let me put that line. Maybe Nifty can come down up to this point. Okay. Maybe Nifty can come down up to this point. Oh shit. So Nifty can come down up to this point, which is at 905. So watch out for. I'm not telling you to hold anything. Trail your stop losses. Nifty daily calendar, it broke trend line. Oh, okay. Actually broke the year-long wedge. Oh, okay. So there is some rumors now suddenly started to come heavily on 2026 being a crash year. Okay. Yeah, it is below that we saw, and the wedge also. This is the one you are talking about, correct, Sudarshan? Correct? Yeah. Why my price is not coming? So see how tough it is, how the exact pricing has been worked out such a way that will be a resistance point. The resistance is clearly showing. So far it has gone near to 245 once or twice, but never went to 247. The high it has so far made is 243.95. It made up to 246, 1 rupee below this target. If it touches, that will be good. 3 targets today then. Wow. Wow. Third target is also. Oh God. Today I should have had my best crowd. That would have been really good. Now there is no target, guys. There is no target. I can't give you any more target. I've already said that is the maximum. So enjoy the ride. Best you can do is now keep your stop losses to 233. That's all. 233. Let us keep it at 232. So that will be what? It made, don't know what bearish news, price moves are. Yes. Something which we don't know. In the cabinet meeting, they must have said, okay, 80,000. Let us attack Pakistan again also. I don't know. No, that would have been a big news. Boom, 250. Don't ask me anything. Now I don't know anything. Okay. It can go, it is trying, once this day chart is broken, anything can 263. Enjoy the ride, guys. Enjoy the ride. Those who are holding. You should be. Okay. You have been following this channel, you should be. Because the weak point never came. What a ride. That too very, very slowly without giving any heart attack, no BP, nothing. We simply took it there. Market continuously, our studies, our trade setup continuously told hold. That's it. 268.4K, one lot. What is the percentage? 75% one day. You are done for this 100 points for a week, correct? You are already done for it, because now it is 262. 262 means you are 114 points, correct? Yes, 114 points. What more you want here? Now there is no this thing. What I will do is I will shift it to 247 as the first one. Now you people should guess and tell me what should be the target, because I can't give the target. The first target is 247, which is already done. So all of you, those who are watching, give your targets. We will see whose target will get touched. I will give one target. Tell me, guys, those who are watching, around 15 people know. Tell me what can be the next target. There is no technical target. We can only guess now. All of you can start typing. What can be the target for this? Either you can make a technical assessment or you can make a guess. Nobody. Come on, yeah. Why you people are shy? Okay. So let me give. No, yeah, not 860. I want the option price. Option price, sir. Oh, you say 25,860 means this will be going 300. Live trading, Harish, Siva, Ajita. My target, I am setting the next target as 283. You people need to give your targets. Because I don't know, there is no technical this thing. Because it is beyond S5. Now, like can't give, correct? It can. So 905 seems to be definitely coming. If I roughly calculate, it should even take past that 283. But I think 283, roughly if we calculate around 30 points, means it should come roughly that. That will be the fourth. Oh, 316. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Yeah, it is not. It doesn't cost you money. 15 points premium. 25,000. Okay. 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 Got it. How about others? There is a buying that pressure that is coming in. We can see, we will see that in top 10 shares. If the percentage suddenly rises, then we will know that buying is coming. Because next candle we have to see. This candle, it is become not a doji, it is again a clean red candle. There is alignment, but whatever the green dot on the top has vanished. So there is further downfall, I think. If you are continue to get that green dots on the top, you can expect there will be some traffic signal will come. But after two dots, there is no dot. It means That is, oh, again we are getting, see that it is flashing. See the top, see the top of this, see the top here, watch it. So beautifully the system is telling you. Watch this place. Okay. Watch this space. How beautifully it is telling that there is, it is keeps on flashing in between. Okay, that is a tick by tick evaluation. Okay, you don't think it is time for reversal, go down, yes, but 9 fund, you don't know, yeah, there are the short covering reversals, no, it doesn't come in a slow method. Suddenly you will see one big green candle, pat, it will take the Nifty to 25,980, 970, like that, just like that. You won't even have time to realize, you will suddenly see this percentage. Maybe premium stays, but index goes down a little only. Okay. I thought 140 there will be some movement, but you are not getting green dots, no. That is telling me that we are about to reverse. Up, down, below, yellow line. One more down move and then reversal. Okay. If you don't get reversal and closes about 20 today, charts looks very bearish at for 25,000 at least. Okay. Batman, just wait. I'm just checking that only. So what I'm trying to check is around 25,850 call. Okay. Whether call side that percent ATM. Okay. No, yeah. They are all showing only scalping opportunities. Far away from becoming strength, but you can. No, if at all, those who are really risky and all, who think that okay, nothing is going to happen to us and we are ready to give back to the market what we have earned in the market, this thing, then, but this is also not good. You are not getting a good risk reward ratio. This can be a kind of a risky trade, so I urge those people who have made 100 points, simply keep the mouse away, don't trade unless you are a compulsive trader. I have to trade, etc. and all that. Otherwise, it will be safer to take the money back. Okay, but there is a possibility this can come. I am not saying it can't come, but this is the high risk trade. Let me change this thing. That was a low risk actually. To go till 25,820 if it didn't reverse. It is already reversed this thing. It has already come up to our pivot, no, S5. I told you, no, S5 usually, very rarely I have seen S5 being broken. Okay. Very rarely it's being broken. So if that is the point, okay, then where is the question of those put lovers still think that market can come down and all that.